Hello everyone, today we will compare YNAB and PocketGuard, two popular budgeting apps in the world. So YNAB emphasizes giving every dollar a job and planning ahead for future expenses, while PocketGuard focuses on simplicity and ease of use, providing a clear snapshot of your finances. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for YNAB and PocketGuard, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison. And as you can see, when it comes to budgeting method, so YNAB is a zero-based budgeting, so every dollar has a job, while PocketGuard has automated budgeting, so simplified categorization. And when it comes to goal settings, so YNAB has comprehensive goal tracking and saving goals, while PocketGuard has basic goal setting with automatic calculation. And when it comes to expense tracking, YNAB is a manual entry of transactions, detailed categorization, while PocketGuard is automated tracking with real-time updates. And when it comes to income tracking, YNAB allows manual entry and tracking of income sources, while PocketGuard automatically tracks income from linked accounts. When it comes to reporting insights, YNAB has detailed reports, graphs, and trend analysis, while PocketGuard has easy-to-understand charts and spending breakdowns. When it comes to bank syncing, YNAB syncs with most banks, allow manual import of transaction, while same thing with PocketGuard. And when it comes to mobile app, so YNAB is available for iOS and Android with full feature access, same thing with PocketGuard. And when it comes to web access, YNAB has full featured web app available, same thing with PocketGuard but limited features. And when it comes to debt management, YNAB has tools for tracking and paying off debt, while PocketGuard has basic debt tracking included in expense management. So yes, that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison. When it comes to subscription, YNAB has monthly plan which is $14.99 and annual plan which is $98.99. When it comes to PocketGuard, they have PocketGuard Basic which is free and PocketGuard Plus, which is $4.99 per month. And yes, that's it. So when it comes to free trial, YNAB has 34 days free trial, while PocketGuard has 7 days free trial for PocketGuard Plus. And yes, that's it. So when it comes to their features per plan, so when it comes to YNAB, you will have full access to all features, and when it comes to PocketGuard, limited features in pre-version but full access on PocketGuard Plus. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the YNAB and PocketGuard pricing comparison. So now let's go to the customer support. So when it comes to support channels, YNAB has email, online resources support, and active user community. Same thing with PocketGuard, email support and online resources. When it comes to response times, YNAB has generally prompt responses, and the PocketGuard responses may vary, usually within 24 to 48 hours. When it comes to community forum, YNAB has active user community forums and discussion, while PocketGuard has less active community, fewer forums. And lastly, for educational resources, YNAB has extensive resources including webinars and workshops, while PocketGuard has basic resources, blog posts, and in-app tips. So yes, that's it for customer support, pricing, and features comparison. So now let's go with the pros and cons. And when it comes to YNAB pros, so YNAB offers comprehensive budgeting tools. They provides detailed insights and reports. They are very dependable because of their strong community support. They offers goal tracking for saving and debt management. And lastly, the user's account is safe due to the bank level security and data encryption YNAB has. So when it comes to cons, YNAB has steeper learning curve for new users, which is bad. They offer higher subscription costs. They have manual transaction entry, may be time consuming, and the offers limited customization options, and they have a fewer integration compared to other platforms. And yes, that's it for the YNAB pros and cons. So when it comes to PocketGuard pros, so they offers automated expenses tracking, eliminating the need for manual input and ensuring accuracy in financial records. and the users receive real-time updates on their spending, allowing for immediate awareness of financial habits and trends. And the free version of the software is available, enabling users to access basic features without any cost. And additionally, the platform streamlines the budgeting process, simplifying financial management for individuals and households. So that's it for the pros. So now let's go to the cons. So when it comes to cons, in contrast of YNAB, this platform offers less detailed budgeting functionality, providing a simpler approach to financial management. The customization options are limited on this platform, allowing for less personalization compared to YNAB. The basic goal setting features are available, aiding users in setting and tracking their financial objectives, and users may find that it doesn't provide as comprehensive insights and reports as YNAB, potentially affecting their ability to analyze their financial data thoroughly. So yes, that's it for the Pocket Guide pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to the which platform is the best for you, and let's start that by discussing we should choose YNAB. So YNAB is preferable for someone who wants complete control over their budgeting process, including the ability to assign every dollar a job. They values detailed insight and reports to understand their spending habits and financial health. Someone who will focus on achieving specific saving goals and managing them effectively. Someone who are willing to invest time in learning the platform despite a potential steeper learning curve. And lastly, someone who appreciate being part of an active user community for support and inspiration. So if you have all of these qualities, YNAB is referable to you. So now for the people who should choose PocketGuard. So PocketGuard is referable for someone who prefers a smart, straightforward, automated approach to budgeting without the need of detailed manual input. Someone who prioritizes a user-friendly interface that's quick to set up and navigate. Someone who wants real-time updates on their spending and financial status without having to manually input transaction. Someone who are looking to a budgeting tool that offers a free version, and lastly, someone who has simpler financial needs and don't require the level of detail and customization offered by YNAB. So if you have all of this quality, PocketGuard is referable to you. So in conclusion, both YNAB and PocketGuard offers valuable tools for managing your finances, but they cater to different needs and preferences. YNAB excels in providing comprehensive budgeting control and detailed insights, making it ideal for those who are committed to actively managing their finances and achieving specific financial goals. On the other hand, PocketGuard's simplicity and ease of use make it a great choice for users who prefer a more automated approach to budgeting and want a real-time updates on their spending. So your financial lifestyle and goals will ultimately determine which option is the best for you. So determine which platform best suits your objectives by weighing your priorities. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.